Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. Anthony, my son, is asleep. April is still asleep, and of course I'm up. And I'm looking for something to do. So yesterday we were at my brother's house, and he has a 78 Volkswagen Cabriolet Special Edition that was exported from Germany to the United States. That was a big pile of rusty crap. He's put a lot of time into it and restoration, and it's almost finished. And he did rebuild the engine, and then he drove it, and then it sat. He said now it doesn't run. Yesterday we spent a little bit of time on it, pulling spark plugs. They were fouled, not sure why. Pulled the valve covers, they were full of fuel. And I said, yeah, this isn't good. And after us, debating on flushing the fuel out of the system, I said I want to do a compression test first. So I'm off to Sicklerville. I'll bring it back later. When we do that, it is brisk. You can see I have my hat on and my hoodie. So I said I would carve a few weekends out for my brother to help him with his projects and other things that are going on that he needs my help with. I'm anxious to get back to gold prospecting. I am in search of the giant nugget or a lot of gold. We might go out to Creek. It's about 2.5 hours from me. I watched a YouTube video of Jesse, the gold hunter, and he went to our spot, the creek. It's called Rock Bottom Creek. I seen Lester Laporte posted a video, and he was in his famous spot out there, and he really didn't get much. So it's pretty interesting that maybe you guys don't want to hear about that. Maybe that's a conversation for another video. Let's do that. I won't bore you with the gold stuff. We'll keep it technical. It's a 78 Volkswagen Cabriolet Special Edition, exported from Germany to the United States. Very rare Volkswagen. Once I get back to that, I even dumped gas down the fuel injection Venturi, and it still didn't fire with new spark plugs. Verified that we had spark, and I'm like, man, don't tell me this thing, he messed up the bottom end somehow. But if he was beating the crap out of it and it's air cooled, yeah, he's done that before with an air cooled Volkswagen. So I'll bring it back once I get to his house. We're gonna go have breakfast first. Good morning. Make it productive. Have a great day.